Most people think the most expensive investing mistake is picking the wrong stock. It's not. Others think it's buying at the top, selling too early, or missing the next big winner. Still not it. The most expensive investing lesson people learn too late costs hundreds of thousands of dollars, sometimes millions. And it has nothing to do with being smart, lucky, or good at math. In this video, I'm going to explain what that lesson is, why almost every beginner learns it the hard way, and how you can avoid it starting today. This video is especially for beginner investors. You don't need experience. You don't need a lot of money. You don't even need to know stock market terms. Because this lesson applies whether you invest $50 a month or $5,000 a month. And if you understand this early, you'll already be ahead of most investors. Here's the lesson. The most expensive investing lesson is waiting. Not waiting for the right stock. Not waiting for the perfect time. Just waiting to start. Most people delay investing because they think they'll start when they earn more, they feel more confident, the market feels safer, they know what they're doing. But every year you wait quietly steals something you can never get back. And that thing is time. Why time is so powerful? Time is powerful because of compounding. Compounding means your money doesn't just grow. Your growth starts growing too. Here's a simple example. Let's say two people invest the same amount every month. Person A starts at age 20. Person B starts at age 30. Person B invests more money each month to catch up. But in most cases, Person A still ends up with more money, even though they invested less total cash. Why? Because the early years do the heavy lifting. At first, growth feels slow. Then it accelerates. Then it snowballs. Most people don't realize that the first dollars you invest are often the most valuable dollars you'll ever invest. The emotional reason people delay. So if starting early matters so much, why don't people do it? Because investing feels uncomfortable at the beginning. Beginners think, what if I mess this up? What if the market crashes? What if I lose money? So they wait for confidence. But here's the truth. Confidence comes after you start, not before. No one feels ready at the beginning. Even experienced investors once felt exactly like beginners. Waiting doesn't reduce risk. It usually increases it because you lose irreplaceable time. The cost of waiting, no fear, just reality. Let's talk about cost, not emotionally, just mathematically. If you delay investing for 5 years, you don't just miss 5 years of growth. You miss compounding on your contributions, compounding on your gains, compounding on your reinvested gains. That missing growth never catches up. You can invest more later, but you can't recreate time. That's why waiting is so expensive. Even though it doesn't feel expensive in the moment. What beginners think the lesson is. Most beginners think the lesson is, don't pick bad stocks. Don't panic sell. Don't try to get rich quick. Those are important, but they're secondary. The primary lesson is simpler. Starting imperfectly beats starting perfectly later. Investing isn't about being right every time. It's about being consistent over time. The market rewards participation, not perfection. What starting actually means. Starting does not mean watching the market every day, trading constantly, finding the next big winner. Starting means investing small amounts, staying consistent, letting time work for you. Even tiny amounts matter when time is on your side. The goal at the beginning isn't to maximize returns. The goal is to build the habit. Here's a mindset shift that helps beginners. The biggest risk isn't market ups and downs. The biggest risk is never starting. Starting too late. Or quitting too early. Short-term volatility feels scary. Long-term inactivity is far more dangerous. Investing rewards patience. But only if you give it time to work. So if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. The most expensive investing lesson isn't losing money, it's losing time. Start small. Start simple. Start before you feel ready. Your future self will thank you. If this helped you understand investing more clearly, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing videos, and I'll see you in the next one.